walkie approach. 687 Sierra Tango, declaring an emergency.
687 Sierra Tango, this is walkie approach. Roger, what's your emergency?
Yeah, I've got ice in the cabin. I'm all frozen. I can hardly move, and my co-pilot is incapacitated.
Roger, 687 Sierra Tango. Turn to a heading of 190. Maintain your altitude.
Okay. All right, turning to a heading of 190.
7 Sierra Tango, we are vectoring you to an airport that is 7 miles to the southwest. The name of the airport is 10 Charlie.
Galt Airport?
Affirmative. Seems to us you need to have cabin heaters installed.
Yeah. Cabin heaters. That's a good idea.
7 Sierra Tango, are you familiar with Aerosport?
Oh yeah, Aerosport. Your one-stop shop for all things light sport.
Yeah, just go there. They'll fix you up.
Oh yeah, I'm there. Cabin heaters ahoy! Woohoo! How you doing, Bob? Yeah, I know it's cold. I'm cold too. But pretty soon, we're gonna have cabin heat. Ah!
Feel this.
So this is the original
So this is
Sky Reach's normal heater.
which is big, which is hard to get in some places with panels and pedals. Okay. Now hold the fan so it doesn't fall, but feel how heavy the difference.
Oh,
Okay.
that's like half the weight.
Okay.
This is much better.
Pulls down. Oh no! I see you. No, I don't. I see you. No, I don't.
So just tell me everything you did.
So the cabin heat was installed. You have dual cabin heat, so on both sides you have a switch on and off, so each person can control their own heat. So if you want it cold and your wife wants it warm, she can turn it on, vice versa.
Very nice.
You are on a separate circuit breaker as well. So if one happened to pop, you're not losing both heat, you're only losing one side or the other. Also, you do have you're the first one, I should say the second one, that has a on-off water valve. So in the summertime you can shut it off so you're not circulating through the cabin and still producing heat through the radiators. So, but I have that all in too, so underneath the pedals. So
Fantastic.
you'll be able to see that and see what it looks like. Let me see if I can light it up for you. So there's your valve.
Okay.
So you'll just flip that in the summertime.
That's off.
That's off, that's on.
That's on.
Yep, you have one on each side because it makes a loop. So you don't
It'll be
want
the
it to-
same way. So that's on right now.
That's on. Well, it's
And
going to
then-
be opposite of that one because they flow.
Okay. So so angling it down.
So this
Go
one
ahead,
this
turn it
way
off one more time.
off, and then
Off.
there's right
Okay.
there that says on. That
And
says
it's-
off.
So that's on. Got it.
That's on. So
All right. Great.
you got it on both sides. So you have that, and you should be ready to go. It was nice today. So
All right.
ran it about 5-6 times just to get it burped and get the fluid flowing through. So with the coolant, so that way it started sucking up. So that's good. So
Okay.
it
Great.
was taken. It was good. Just keep an eye on things. Like always. You want vibrations and stuff. So let's see. I did slide your hose through a bigger hose
Mm-hmm.
to protect it because the battery is up there.
Mhm.
So I slid it through, and you have a protection hose, so it's not rubbing on anything. So just keep an eye on it.
Okay.
Be careful when you're putting your feet under there. Don't shove, kick, whatever. I tried to center the valve and the tube going in between the pedals, so that way it wouldn't interfere with your toe brakes.
Great.
So you do have it on both sides, like I said. So
Well, thanks a lot, Jeremy.
just a real quick. So.
Oh, wow. Powerful.
Yep. And then, like I said, you have your own breakers.
And you have heat.
And they're labeled.
And it's heat. Oh, it's labeled. You thought of everything.
So that's it.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, here we go. The cabin heaters are installed, and we're going to test them out right now. How about it, Bob? It's cold enough, isn't it? It's cold. So let's try the cabin heat for the first time. Here we go. It's so hot! It's so hot!
Holy Moses!
I think the cabin heaters need adjusting.